In this video, I will show you how you can scan QR codes on your iPhone. So first, what we need to do here is to set up our settings. So go on settings and then search for camera, right? So as you can see here, there is a camera right here, and you need to make sure to scan QR codes. You need to turn it on, and if you don't have this option, no, don't worry, I have other solution for you, and I will show you in a minute, right? So make sure to turn on if you have scan QR codes, and then simply go on camera. As you can see here, press on camera and scan QR code like this, and as you can see here, I can open basically the website in my Safari of this QR code, and as you can see here, it's working pretty well, but this basically website is not operating, right? So guys, if you do not have a option to basically use QR codes on your iPhone built-ins, you can basically go on App Store, as you can see here, and basically you need to just look for QR scanner. And as you can see here, you need to download this first option, that is QR code reader. Download it, open it, and as you can see here, I have this on my phone also, and also you can read it with this cool app. So as you can see here, it basically redirects to a website that basically has this QR code. All right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more similar content. Take care, bye.